Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. When you're ready, tap on About Device and click on device name. Then type in wherever you want to. In my case, Sunny. Lastly, hit save in the pop-up to save your new name. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my smartphone has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!